Hello everyone, I'm Kate here and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First step you have to do is open Snapchat app on your device. After that, on your screen at the top left hand corner you will see your profile icon, so tap on there. Now again, to go to settings you have to click on that setting icon that you will see at the top right hand corner. Now if you are iOS or iPhone user, you will see a dark mode option. By scrolling a little bit and turn on the dark mode. But if you are Android user, Snapchat still hasn't updated dark mode features on Android devices, so we will not be able to turn on dark mode on Android devices. Android has recently launched another features that says Snapchat Plus. So Snapchat Plus users are able to turn on dark mode. For that you have to have a subscription, and then only after that you will be able to use the dark mode feature on your device. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you made it till the end, thank you for watching again.